Cheers, cheers.
One. Congratulations, Kusina.
Okay, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here, and you are watching my YouTube channel that features lifestyle, travel, food, and tech, and also mga buffet restaurants sa mga hotel. So we are here sa The Bellevue, Manila, here in Alabang, Muntinlupa City. At they just opened their buffet restaurant, yung Kusina. Sabi nila parang this restaurant, parang mga 20-year-old daw to. And they nagkaroon sila ng major overhaul after the pandemic. At nag-rebrand sila from an old restaurant name to the new one, yung Kusina. So they are offering buffet, offering dito every Friday and Saturday, at maglo-launching ito sa October 7. So as of now, they are serving breakfast and lunch and dinner na a la carte, but every Friday, Saturday, buffet restaurant. Okay, let's do a food tour, vlog tour tayo para makita nyo yung restaurant na ito na Kusina here sa The Bellevue, Manila. So let's check it out, yo. For the pricing, wala pa, but I will update the title of this video with magkano ba yung kanilang buffet. Alright, so let's tour around. Let's start here sa restaurant nila sa may dining area, okay? Let's do this. And here's the dining area of Kusina. Today is their launching event. And let's go inside para makita ninyo. Napakaganda ng kanilang chandelier here. As you can see. Wow, ang ganda, no? For the new logo of Kusina, eto siya. Ayan. Kusina. That's their title ng restaurant. And let's go. Hello! This is Darren. And oh my God, everybody's getting their own food na. Hindi tayo nakapag-food photography. They have a wine. Mga wine, oh my God, check it out, yo. Right, at they have a some kind of yung mga slicing. Nice. Wow. Panalo. And they have also a fish, like a salmon. Ayan. Wow. Wow, check it out, yo. And here the sauce. They have a seafood corner at mga barbecue, may marinated pork where you can have a grilled experience. Check it out, yo, guys. Lovely. At they have a pizza section. Saan nakikita niyo yung video? No? They have the pizza. And they have two kinds of pizza. At ito yung kanilang see-through chef's area. Wow, check it out, yo. Ito yung kanilang buffet area. As you can see. Mama tayo magpipicturean dyan. Unahin muna natin to. I think this is the, what's this, the pasta station. Na pwede ka magpaluto ng different kinds of pasta. Ayan na si chef na bahala dyan. Ayan. There, meron silang menu, pasta station, penne, fettuccine, spaghetti, pomodoro carbonara, bechamel, pesto. Ayan. Risotto, may paborito. I think ito tayo risotto. Ang bigat. Ay, hindi. It's a parang tawag dito. Parang bolognese thing. I think. And they have a parang Mongolian. Wow, Mongolian. So, pag dito, you get your own bowl. Get your own bowl at ikaw na bahala mag-mix ng mga ingredients. Siyempre, kailangan may rice at si chef ang bahalang magluto. Ayan, panalo, panalo. So, basta mga Mongolian, beef sukiyaki, fish fillet, shrimp, yung mga ingredients na pwede mong paghalu-haluin at lagyan ng Mongolian sauce. Ayan. The best. Ngayon lang ulit ako nakakita ng Mongolian for many years. Ngayon lang ulit. I'm so happy. And here's si Mami Larissa. Ayan. Kumakain na. Hello. At okay, let's go now. Here's a buffet area. Dessert yan. So let's shift to the left side. So, uy, meron silang laksa. Soup. Tikman natin tong laksa soup nila mamaya. They have mga bread, soft roll, multigrain, Ayan. I think this is another soup. I think parang mushroom soup or a chowder, I think. Si Noel, konti pa yan, damihan mo pa. We have some white rice at egg fried rice. Wow. Beef caldereta. Alright. Uy, gising-gising. Oh, that's kasi, naalala ko, cuisine is all Filipino and Asian flavor. So this kare-kare. Pinakbet. At we have here some buttered calamares, pork sisig, tsaka chicken wings sa side na to. Sana nakita niyo yung video, no? Zoom natin ng konti. Medyo, yeah, kitang-kita nyo na. Alright.
Balot.
May balot ba? May balot? Asan? Oo nga, adobo. It's a Kapampangan style na parang adobong balot yata to. Yeah. Yan. Balot-balot. Sisig ng balot siya. Pork sisig pala. Pork sisig, tas may balot. Uy, astig to That's very unique. Ngayon lang ko nakita ng sisig na may balot. Instead of the egg lang. Alright, that's very unique. And let's check it out. So here, kanilang pastries. Have the Kusina cupcake here. More cupcake. At pichi-pichi. Pichi-pichi. Some parang macarons lollipop. Si M. Yeah, shooting the killer reels. Food reels sila dyan. Chocolate. More cakes. More cupcakes. Sarap din tong isang to. And this one is the parang bread and butter pudding. Ayan. So everybody's getting their own food. I think this one is Japanese maki and sashimi. Oh my God, they have maki and sushi. Salmon sashimi. Oh my God. Let's move here para makita natin. Ayan. We have a salmon sashimi. Tuna sashimi here. Sa kabilang side, yung mga cold cuts and cheese. Ayan, mga maki. And here we have a seafood. Pwede mo pang paluto yan kung gusto nyo. Ayan. Very fresh. At fish ceviche. My God. Nagugutom na ako. And also create your own kinds of salad. Ayan. And I like the watermelon. Nakikita ko yung watermelon dito. Paborito ko yan. And that's it guys for the tour natin sa Kusina Buffet. At as of now, wala pa tayong price for the buffet kasi kaka-launching lang nila. Well, if you want to guess the price, comment down below. Alright. Pakita natin yung kanyang food. Hello. Oh my God. Panalo. Dahil diyan kakain na ako. Alright. Kain na tayo. At actually, mag-shoot pa ako ng pang-reels ko I guess baka yun na. No. Shoot pa tayo ng pang-reels para maiba-iba naman tayo. Alright. So, see you in a bit guys. Kakain tayo. Here's left corner ko is they have some gelato. Oh my God. So, pistachio. So, walang salted caramel ako nakita. Maybe another day. And they have a crepe station. Ayan. Gawa sila dito mamaya. Ayan. They also have coffee machines na, oh my God. May mga kumakanta na rin dito. And here we go. The dining area. Mayroong kumakanta sa tabi natin. At tayo ay kakain na tayo. I'll put down my camera na. Tapos na tayo mag-shoot sila. Nice. Alright. Live music Alright, kain na tayo. Baba ko na yung camera. Masarap nung kanilang yung beef. Grabe. Sarap. It's good.
Ano yung mga inihaw doon?
Let's try their laksa. Siyempre. Laksa pa tayo Wow. Hindi, ito sa may soup.
Sa soup. Ilan ba soup? Dalawa?
Wow. Sarap. Very rich yung flavor ng laksa nila.
Ito yung parang shock nila ron na ano.
Sabi gising-gising nila maanghang.
Ha?
Gising-gising maanghang. Sarap.
Oo. Pati raw yung sisig eh. Sisig ba manghang?
Kare-kare, buntot kare-kare. Tikman natin.
Okay.
Buntot ha. Kare-kare. Okay ah. Kakaiba yung lasa ng kare-kare nila. Hindi siya peanut buttery. Hindi siya peanut butter or peanut. Parang very light lang yung kanyang pagka kare-kare. Sarap ng cake nila. Siyempre, Americano coffee.